Hey everyone, Abhisweta this side, and in this video I will talk about top 3 sites to practice aptitude questions. And this is for your placement, this is for your competitive exams and many more exams. Let's move to our first site, that is IndiaBix. Click on the first link, that is the official site of IndiaBix. And in this web page you can see that there is general aptitude questions, there is verbal reasoning questions, some current affairs, and after practicing all these questions you can also give your online test from here to judge your practice, to judge your performance. And there is some programming question also. You can practice your cyber security part also from here, and some medical questions also. Let's move to our aptitude part. First one is arithmetic aptitude, and in this part you can see there is many more problems. And first move to our problem on trains, and in this part you can see that there is many questions. And I think from practicing this side you can get your confidence in aptitude part. Let's move to the second site, that is freshersworld.com. Go to the official site of freshersworld.com, and you can see there is many job opportunity are here, and you can get your internship from here also. And now move to the question part, that is placement paper. You can see there is quantitative aptitude questions, verbal ability question. You can see there is some preparation question of some SBI bank, IPPS bank, and some interview question also. You can get some placement paper question of top companies like Google, Flipkart, Yahoo, and some government exam preparation question also. Move to the quantitative aptitude part, and in this part you can see there is many problems. Move to the number system, and in the number system part you can see there is many more question here. And if you are stuck in any question you can go to the explanation part also. And I think after preparing from this side you can get confidence in your preparation, whatever you are preparing for. Move to the third site, that is testpot.com. Go to the official site of testpot.com, and this site is basically for testing your preparation level. And from this site you can get some mock test papers for your preparation. And there is 150 plus online tests, there is 5000 plus test takers, and 15,000 plus tests, and 2 lakh plus questions are attempted by the students. From here you can select your exams, whatever you are preparing for, such as CAT, MCAT, placement aptitude questions. And from here you can select your companies for which you are preparing for. And from here you can select your subject. There is some programming subject, quantitative aptitude, some current affairs questions, and some web development questions. And let's move to the quantitative aptitude question, and from here you can see there is percentage questions, and you can get your test in percentage, and you can get your test in time and work, and many more tests are present here. And you can test your speed also. From here you can test your speed level. And that's all about testpot.com. And I think you are preparing, you are giving your best. And if you are like this video, please like, share and subscribe.